Guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam, and today we're getting ready to make Jiffy Cornbread Tamale Pie. It's a real easy, simple recipe, perfect for busy weeknights or a busy day, weekend, whatever. It's just amazing. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell, make sure it's set to all so you'll always get my recipes every time I upload. And then just keep hanging around the channel because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. We are back and let's go over these amazing ingredients. First of all, we have two competing stars again. We've got our ground beef and we've got our Jiffy Cornbread mix. These are the star of the dish. We've also got some enchilada sauce. We've got some sour cream, cumin, chili powder, onions, corn. Now you can use cream corn, but I'm using steamed corn. If you use cream corn, leave the milk out of the Jiffy Mix recipe. Also, we've got our cheese here. We've got an egg and a couple of cloves of garlic that we will be mincing. Okay, I think it's time we get this tamale pie made. The other thing that you will need is going to be an oven-proof skillet or a casserole dish because this is going to be cooked in the oven. I am putting a little butter in the bottom of my cast iron skillet because this is what we'll be making it in today. Putting in our Jiffy Mix. To that, we're going to add our egg, sour cream, a little milk, and our corn. Go ahead and make sure this is well combined. From here, we're going to pour our batter into our skillet or your casserole dish. We're going to bake this at 400 degrees oven for about 20 minutes. Now, a lot of tamale pies have their crust on the top, but I found that this is an amazing way to do it by having it on the bottom. It is just absolutely amazing. Okay, so while this is cooking, we will get our beef mixture made. You want to saute your onions until they're soft. Then we're going to add in also our cumin, our chili powder, salt, black pepper. Cook this until the onions are nice and soft. Add in your garlic until it just becomes fragrant. That's about a minute. Then we're going in with our ground beef. Continue to cook this until your ground beef is good and well chopped up. Once your ground beef is all done, make sure you drain it well and set it aside until you're ready to top your cornbread with it. Now that our Jiffy Cornbread is out of the oven, you want to go in and poke holes in it. And you don't want it to get super golden brown like you would if you were just eating cornbread with a meal. You want it to still be a little soft on the top. Going to poke holes all over all of the cornbread. Then we're going to go in and pour our enchilada sauce all over it and spread that around. Now we're going to go in with our ground beef topping. Spread that around. Now we're going to top it with our cheese. This is Monterey Jack and cheddar cheese. You can use whatever cheese you like, your favorite cheese. It'll all work the same. We're going to cover this up, put it back in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then we're going to uncover it and let our cheese bubble up and brown some. Oh my goodness, if you guys could smell this. It is absolutely delicious. And you can also add jalapenos to this if you want a kick. I will probably put some pickled jalapenos on mine as I am eating it because my husband doesn't like spicy things. But tell me in the comments, would you like to have yours with the jalapeno peppers? Yes, no? Leave me a comment and let me know that. And we'll be back when it's ready to come out. All right, we are all done. Doesn't this look amazing? Yes, and you can put some parsley on top of it if you want. You can sprinkle it. I'm just gonna lay those up there like that. This is amazing. It smells delicious. Thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. And if you got anything out of this recipe, if you enjoyed the video, share the video out. Tell everybody you know what Cooking at Pam's Place is over here creating simple, easy, made from scratch meals. And I will see you next time, the good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.